The OnePlus 13 Review. Design and build. The OnePlus 13 showcases a refined aesthetic with a choice of materials, glass backs for the black and white variants, and a vegan leather finish for the blue model. The device measures 162.9 mm in height, 76.5 mm in width, and 8.5 mm in depth, weighing approximately 210 grams. Display. Equipped with a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display, the OnePlus 13 delivers a resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+, with peak brightness reaching up to 4500 nits. Performance. The OnePlus 13 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU configuration. Memory options include configurations up to 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Battery and charging. A standout feature is its 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery, offering enhanced energy density and longevity. The device supports 100 watts wired charging, achieving a full charge in approximately 36 minutes, and 50 watts magnetic wireless charging, providing flexibility for users. Overall, the OnePlus 13 represents a compelling option in the flagship smartphone market, combining high-end specifications with thoughtful design and user-centric features. Its competitive pricing further enhances its appeal to consumers seeking value without compromising on performance. Thank you so much.